Gusto's restaurant is the toast of Paris, booked 5 months in advance, and his dazzling ascent to the top of fine French cuisine has made his competitors envious. Is the toast of Paris, is the toast of Paris.
Be the toast of something is to be very popular in a particular place or greatly admired there.
Booked 5 months in advance, booked 5 months in advance.
Before a particular date or event.
And his dazzling ascent, and his dazzling ascent.
Very amazing rising or moving upward.
Has made his competitors envious, envious, envious.
A mostly negative feeling of desire for something that someone else has and you do not.
Chef Gusto's cookbook, Anyone Can Cook, climbed to the top of the bestseller list. The bestseller list. The bestseller list.
A product that is extremely popular and has sold in very large numbers.
But not everyone celebrates its success.
Amusing title. Anyone can cook. Amusing title. Amusing title.
Funny and entertaining.
I, on the other hand, take cooking seriously, and no, I don't think anyone can do it. On the other hand,
In a way that is different from the first thing you mentioned, or from another point of view.
Wait. You read?
Well, not excessively.
Oh, man. Does Dad know?
Not excessively.
Oh.
Not excessively.
Oh.
Much more than what is usual or normal.
Hey, that's Gusto! I mean, look!
Great cooking is not for the faint
heart. You must be imaginative, strong-hearted. Heart.
Lacking the courage to face something difficult or dangerous.
It was a severe blow to Gusto. A severe blow. A severe blow.
Hard hit or serious hit.
Which, according to tradition, meant the loss of another star.
Gusto.
The tradition. The tradition.
A way of thinking, behaving, or doing something that has been used by the people in a particular family, society or country for a long time.